Bardzo prosto. Sorry, registration, what we encourage you to do is to, if you register, you can post details of your project here in the comments tab below the registration screen. What that means is that if you say, I've got my really cool startup, it's to do with whatever, registration system for events, dog walking, cure for cancer, you post the details here, and some guy or woman who couldn't make the meeting or who saw you but didn't make contact with you can track you down afterwards. So for example, this guy Andrzej, is Andrzej here? Andrzej's not here. Andrzej's not here, but Andrzej posted a link to his app, Say Hello. So that's like kind of smart. It means you can network without even being here. Generally what happens is that at the beginning, if people are a bit shy and they don't want to say anything, later on a lot of people want to speak. So if you want to tell people about your project, we encourage you to do it early, because towards the end of the meeting you may not get time. Who would like to be first? Okay.
Okay, so the first, and then I'm the photographer. My name is Justyna Janicka. I'm a legal counsel. I'm running my own legal office.
Did you register?
Yeah.
Sorry, your name again?
Justyna Janicka.
Okay, so this is Justyna?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm specialized in contract law, company law, IP law, IT law, data protection, and I'm also involved in running a startup, IT startup, which is called SSQ Sign-On, and I'm doing it together with Peter. Peter will tell more about SSQ Sign-On. So basically that's all.
Okay, thank you. And we tend to be very sort of positive and supportive, so quite often we give people a round of applause to appreciate them being here. Is Piotr here for SSQ Sign-On?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to talk about it?
So I'm up next, right?
Well, yes.
Yeah, alright. So, hello, my name is Peter, and I actually wanted to tell you a little bit about my project. It's called SSQ Sign-On. And it's basically a software as a service that is an online authentication and authorization server. Since every app nowadays, whether mobile or web, it needs some kind of authentication and authorization, right? Users want it to be safe, product owners want it to be cheap, and developers want it to be easy to implement. All these features are there with SSQ Sign-On. You can do a traditional login dialog like with a login and password, as well as single sign-on. So basically logging in with a social network or any other app, in fact. SSQ Sign-On is very simple. Integration is possible with only a few lines of code. We do have ready-made examples for the leading technologies of today. Still more on the way, but in spite of that, SSQ Sign-On is technology independent. So any type of technology stack you have, you can work with it. SSQ Sign-On is also safe. It's based on the cutting edge, super safe Auth 2.0 authentication and authorization protocol. And it stores no user data whatsoever. All the data is stored by the customer in his or her database, so he or she has total control over the data. And it does not require cookies, so no security threats related to cookies are present.
Okay, could you say how we could help you? Because this is probably a bit too much product information.
Yeah.
What do you want? What do you want?
Basically, last thing I wanted to say is please visit our website, and we invite you to use our product SSQ Sign-On. And how you can help me? I'm currently looking for people to sort of play around with the solution, test it, see whether there is any bugs or not, because now it's in beta version. And what I can contribute with, I can share my knowledge about security, application architecture, and programming in general. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so
I will go next. I already first time here. My name is
sorry, can we maybe don't run the copy when people are speaking, because it's going to be sorry.
Yeah, no problem. So once again, my name is Helena, I'm from Ukraine. Now I'm developing and promoting our translation project. It's called Fin Translation. So we are doing financial and business translations, different types of documents, text, catalogs and websites and mobile applications. So now we have 4 languages available: English, Polish, Russian, and Ukrainian. And this month we are adding 2 more, so French and German. So welcome for cooperation and good luck with the project.
And just to give people an idea about what I mean with the registration engine, I personally posted just on the comment stream about Justina and Piotr, but I don't want to be the person posting everything. But I encourage you just to post your details here. It gives people a chance to follow up later. Who would like to be next?
Hi.
Okay.
Today I have started Ukraine StartupTrips, Elena and Slava and others. And I'm from Krakow, miastem startupów. And at the moment I'm looking everybody they interested in pre-startupping, not startupping but pre-startupping, early stage, really early stage.
Okay, so what should people do? I put up your Facebook page here. Okay, so if you want to make contact with, in Polish this means Krakow, the town of startups.
Yeah.
And what can people do? What can,
In Polish.
Tak.
Okay.
So
In English, Richard.
So,
You meant in English.
okay, it's early in the morning. So, what's your main purpose for?
We do the science and help the Krakow be city of startups. This is our mission, and if somebody knows way to be in Krakow better city of startups, I will listen very clearly this message.
Cool.
For example, I'll be looking institution interested in pre-startupping and do the science in Krakow.
Yesterday evening we had a meetup. In fact, you can see you're here.
Yeah, I'm here with
looking very happy in the middle. A very important
beer meeting.
Yeah, a very important part of the startup community is events, because it means people have a chance to talk informally. One of the features of OpenCoffee, as we said, the value is in the people who show up, right? So as you notice, it's not about some guy from Silicon or woman from Silicon Valley or London making a speech about how cool they are. It's about the value of people doing business with each other.
This is Hive evening in Staraya Zajezdnia on Wawrzyńca Street.
Yeah, and Hive was one of the early networking meetings here in Krakow. In fact, OpenCoffee was a spin-off from Hive. So, whatever city you're from, it's an interesting idea to start organizing these meetings. It's part of what we need. Okay, who would like to be next?
Great.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it's
Hi. Just a second. My name is Denis. I'm actually from here. Here in Krakow on quite a regular basis. I would really love to help connect Ukrainian startuppers with some Polish guys. Although I'm not yet really into Polish community, but thanks guys.
Did you register?
Yeah. Yes. They discriminated. So if anyone need any help in connection between Ukrainian startup community and Krakow, I would be really happy to help.
Good. Okay, what can we do for you? Jak możemy ci pomagać?
Well, I'm open for any proposals right now.
Yeah. This is you?
Yeah, this is me.
Okay.
Right now, I'm kind of open for any kind of communication.
Okay.
So,
on the OpenCoffee website, we have an FAQ, which I wrote, was translated by a volunteer, just describing what these meetings are about. One thing that's quite important is, sometimes people think, oh, this is just for startups, okay? We also have community organizers, people like community leaders like v.skritskiy. We also have voluntary projects, non-profits. We also have people looking for clients. Piotr, you were talking about looking for clients. Maybe you can be next. Do you have a web page?
Yes, I have 2 pages because I have 2 professionals.
Okay.